Students, this is NCERT problem 2.16 from page number 52 of structure of atom, right? So let's read the statement. A golf ball has a mass of 40 gram and a speed of 45 meter per second. If the speed can be measured with accuracy of 2%, calculate the uncertainty in the position. Okay, so in this question you are having a golf ball whose mass is 40 gram and having speed 45 meter per second. Now this speed can be observed within the accuracy of 2%. That means the speed can be 45 plus 2% of 45, or it can be 45 minus 2% of 45, right? So definitely we have to find the uncertainty in position. For this we will use the formula of uncertainty principle, right? So you can write according to uncertainty principle, delta x, that means uncertainty in position, into m delta v equal to h by 4 pi, right? I have to find the value of delta x. Now I'll see the rest of the values. M is mass of this golf ball, that is 40 gram, and delta v, it is uncertainty in velocity, right? So delta v can we find out by the formula 2% of this speed. So 2 by 100 into 45 meter per second. With this you can find uncertainty in velocity. So definitely if I'll see 2 into 45, that will be 90 by 100. So I'll cancel these two zeros. Meter per second. So 9 divided by 10, that will be 0.9 meter per second. That means this golf ball will have velocity 45 plus 0.9 meter per second, or it may have velocity 45 minus 0.9 meter per second. H is Planck's constant. H equal to 6.626 into 10 raised to power minus 34 joule second. Now if you'll see, we are having velocity is unit in meter per second, right? So again I have to convert this joule in terms of meter per second as well as in kg, so that I can cancel the units and get the unit of position only, right? So if I'll convert this joule into kg's term, so 6.626 into 10 raised to power minus 34, 1 joule is equal to kg meter square second inverse square. Now I'll put this second with it, right? So this second is cancelled with 1 second inverse, and you will have 6.626 into 10 raised to power minus 34 kg meter square second inverse, right? This Planck's constant is having kg, but mass of golf ball is in gram. So what I'll do, I'll simply convert this gram into kg, right? So I know that 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. So 1 gram equal to 1 by 1000 kg, right? So I'll put the value 40 by 1000. So it will be kg. I'll cancel this 0 with this. So 4 divided by 100, your answer will be 0.04 kg. Let's rearrange the formula. So I have to find the value of delta x. Rest terms I'll take on the other side. So h by 4 pi m delta v, right? Now we will put the values. H is Planck's constant, 6.626 into 10 raised to power minus 34 kg meter square second inverse divided by 4 into pi 3.14 mass, that is 0.04 kg. Uncertainty in velocity, that is 0.9 meter per second. So I'll cancel this kg with this, 1 second inverse with this, and 1 meter with this. Unit of uncertainty in position must be meter. So we are having meter only, right? So delta x equal to 6.626 into 10 raised to power minus 34 divided by 4 into 3.14 into 0.04 into 0.9. Your answer will be 0.452, right? And units we are having meter. When you will divide 6.626 with 0.452, your answer will be delta x equal to 14.65 into 10 raised to power minus 34 meter. I want to convert this value according to the scientific notation. So what I'll do, I simply displace this decimal up to 1 digit, right? And this decimal is displaced from right to left. So power will be positive. So delta x equal to 1.465 into 10 raised to power 1 into 10 raised to power minus 34 meter. These two powers are in multiplication, so you can simply add them. So 1.465 into 10 raised to power 1 minus 34 meter. 1 minus 34, your answer will be delta x equal to 1.465 into 10 raised to power minus 33 meter. That means uncertainty in position is observed 1.465 into 10 raised to power minus 33 meter.